Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to use DeepSeek in Chrome browser. So let's open the Chrome browser. Then you need to go on this three dot, then extension, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you need to search there DeepSeek. So you can use this DeepSeek AI assistant from Chrome and this one. So this is the latest. So that clicking this, then after let's click on this add to Chrome, add extension. So DeepSeek is installed in the extension for AC. So here you need to click on this extension, click on this DeepSeek. So now you can get this one. After that, you can ask any question there. If that ask about to or do the login, then you can do the login here. Here you can do the rate. After that, let's write there hi. This is returning in quick second, 3 seconds of tabs. Then after you can ask any question there. What exactly generative AI? So you can get this all. This is generative, this all returning. So this is how we can here use or add the DeepSeek extension on Chrome browser. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.